Before buying an inflatable life jacket, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it, and it's not what you think. Most people don't realize that not all inflatable vests are actually designed to flip you face up in the water, and that could be a life or death difference. Product number 1, Snorkel Vest 220 pounds. This first one is a basic inflatable snorkel vest priced at just $27.84, and honestly, it looks like something you'd grab for a quick beach day. It supports up to 220 pounds and has over 500 sales in the past month, which tells me a lot of people are using it for casual snorkeling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not a certified life jacket. It's more of a flotation aid, meaning it won't automatically inflate or keep your head above water if you're unconscious. The buoyancy is manual, so you have to blow into it, and there's no automatic trigger. That's fine if you're active and alert in the water, like snorkeling near the surface, but it won't protect you in an emergency. Now, some people complained about the lack of safety certifications and the thin material feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for rough waters or solo adventures. It's for supervised shallow water fun. If you're just floating around the reef with friends, it does the job. But if you're kayaking alone or in open water, this isn't the right tool. This is perfect for you if you're a casual snorkeler who wants extra float without bulk. Skip this one if you're planning on boating, fishing, or being in deep or cold water. At under $30, it's cheap, but remember, you're paying for convenience, not survival. Product number 2, Portable Snorkel Jacket. Next up is another inflatable snorkel vest, this one at $21.55, even cheaper than the last. It's marketed for snorkeling, swimming, kayaking, and boating, but let's be real, it's really just a step up from pool floaties. With only 50 sales recently, it's less popular, but the price tag might tempt budget buyers. If you want the absolute lowest cost flotation for calm water, this might catch your eye. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Like the first one, it's not a true life jacket. It relies on manual inflation, has no CO2 cartridge, and offers no automatic activation. It's great for staying afloat while you're actively swimming, but if you get tired, injured, or knocked out, it won't save you. The material is lightweight nylon, which feels comfortable, but it's not built for durability or high-stress situations. Now, some people complained about the fit being too loose and the straps not staying tight. Here's the thing though, this vest doesn't have adjustable buckles like higher-end models. It's one size fits most, which means it might slip off if you're moving a lot or in choppy water. That's a real risk if you're in a kayak or on a boat. This is perfect for you if you're snorkeling in warm, shallow water with others nearby. Skip this one if you're alone, in cold water, or doing anything more intense than floating. It's cheap, but it's not a safety device, it's a flotation toy. Product number 3, Poseidon Breathable Vest. Now we're stepping up with the Poseidon Adjustable Water Safety Vest at $74.83. This one's different, it's not inflatable at all. Instead, it uses high-density buoyant fabric, so it works right out of the box, no pumping or cartridges needed. It's got reflective strips, dual storage pockets, and a 10-second quick-release system. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Since it doesn't rely on inflation, there's no risk of malfunction. It's always ready, even if you're unconscious. The 360 degrees reflective strips help rescuers spot you at night, and the adjustable straps ensure a snug fit for different body types. It's also breathable, so you won't overheat on hot days, a big plus for long water sessions. Now, some people complained about the bulkiness compared to inflatable vests. Here's the thing though, that bulk is what gives it constant buoyancy. You trade a little comfort for guaranteed safety. Also, it's not foldable like inflatable ones, so it takes up more space in your bag. This is perfect for you if you're doing extended water activities like paddleboarding or fishing and want peace of mind without mechanical parts. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact or are on a tight budget. At $75, it's a solid investment in safety. Product number 4, FOLALIFE 3-Pack Auto Jacket. Now we're getting into real life-saving gear with the FOLALIFE 3-Pack at $100.18. These are 150 Yen automatic inflatable jackets with CO2 cartridges, not included, which is annoying, reflective strips, and a built-in whistle. They activate in 3 seconds when submerged. That's critical if you can't inflate it yourself. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 150 Yen buoyancy supports up to 130 kg, 286 pounds, so it works for most adults. The automatic inflation means even if you're knocked out, it'll still deploy. The reflective strips and whistle boost your chances of being found. Plus, the adjustable buckles and lightweight nylon make it comfortable for long wear. Now some people complain that the CO2 cartridges aren't included and have to be bought separately, which adds cost and hassle. Here's the thing though, that's standard for auto-inflatable jackets. You just have to remember to check and replace them regularly. Also, if it accidentally inflates, it's a pain to repack. This is perfect for you if you're boating, fishing, or kayaking in open or cold water. Skip this one if you're just snorkeling near shore. At $33 per jacket, it's a fair price for real protection. Product number 5, PQKEFO3 Pack Auto Vest. Finally, the PQKEFO3 pack at $87.37, similar to the FOLALIFE but slightly cheaper and just as capable. These are 150 Yen automatic vests with reflective strips, safety buckles, and both auto and manual inflation. They weigh only 0.5 kg each, so they're easy to carry. If you want high safety standards at a better price, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Like the FOLALIFE, it auto-inflates in water and supports up to 130 kg. The quick-release buckles make it easy to put on and take off, and the breathable material keeps you cool. The built-in whistle and reflective strips are lifesavers in emergencies. Plus, the pack gives you extras for family or friends. Now, some people complained about the one-size-fits-all design not fitting larger bodies well. Here's the thing though, the adjustable straps help, but if you're over 62 or have a broad chest, it might feel tight. Also, again, no CO2 cartridges included. This is perfect for you if you want certified safety for group water activities without overspending. Skip this one if you need a custom fit or hate dealing with cartridges. At under $29 per vest, it's a steal for real protection. So which one should you buy? The cheap snorkel vests are fine for calm, supervised fun, but not real safety. The Poseidon vest is reliable and always ready, great for long sessions. But if you're in open water, the FOLALIFE and PQKEFO auto-inflatable packs are the only ones that can actually save your life if you're unconscious. Between those two, PQKEFO gives you the same protection for less. Stay safe out there.